Hi everyone, hi Amors, and Happy New Year's. Happy 2021. As you can see, this is my living room tour that I'm bringing to you, and it's the living room tour before the cleanup. So sit back and relax, and I'll be talking to you throughout the whole video. I try not to add any music. I want to say thank you to my subscribers for their support. So I'm at 974. Didn't quite make the goal of 1,000 last year, but that's not either here or there. It's time to move on and make changes. And we'll talk about more about that at the end of the video. Okay, let's get on with this tour. I saw this picture on Pinterest and I fell in love with it. I wanted to do everything that was here or similar to it in my decor. I want my mantle to glow and my tree to glow just like this. So now this is my mantle that you're looking at, and this is the sign that I put on. Happy New Year's 21. And that was part of making my mantle glow. I want to be able to glow in the daylight and at night. And I achieved it with this sign right here. This actually is a banner, a sign banner that you can switch up. I thought it was very helpful and very useful. And this is my mantle. On both sides of my mirror, you will see my creation of my wall decor that I put together to also bring on glow. That glow I wanted daytime and nighttime. And this is a close-up of my tree, and you see even during the daytime it glows like this. And I want that same effect throughout my whole living room. I achieved that by making my handmade ornaments that the lights can be placed on the inside of the globe, the ornaments, and also the flowers. And you'll see a close-up of that in the time to come. This is my coffee table in front of my sofa, and you'll see that I have the apples and oranges and the mixed nuts, and also a dish of candy that we put out every year. And this is a family tradition. It's been going on for years. And both of my end tables, I just have a scenery of houses and angels. And now for the clips to come, you'll just see a collection of pictures of my living room from morning to night. This is a close-up of my ornaments, my handmade ornaments, that you'll also see throughout. I wanted to decorate this pillow with this tree, macrame tree. I didn't get around to it, so I ended up making more ornaments. And this is my nighttime view of my tree. And this is everything with my lights on everywhere. In these next clips, you'll just see clips of the whole room. Now at this point, I'm going to just pan around and give you a close-up look of each area. And even though it seemed like it's a lot as far as putting this together, actually it wasn't really that complicated. I totally enjoyed putting this together and bringing it all together for the look I wanted for my Christmas and New Year's. And I had an angel at each table. My gray basket, floor basket, is really very large. You can't tell from this, but it really is. And this is it. Thank you. I have a Ring in the New Year giveaway, 24-piece place setting. And this is my first gift giveaway for the New Year's. You have to be subscribed to my channel and just type Amors in the comment. If you haven't seen my last video, my s'mores bar, go check it out. I'll have the link down below in the description. Just comment Amors down in the comment section and then I'll take it from there. I know you have an interest in trying to win that 24-piece plate setting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, Amores. Be safe. Be blessed.